Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the domain's administrative facts. Check who is and the registrar dashboard right away. Once done, verify DNS records, MX, NS, and TTL, and capture screenshots for reference. Make sure you can log into the registrar and DNS host and that the owner email works. This prevents delays during appeals. If any credentials are missing, initiate account recovery with clear proof of identity so you can act without waiting. You must now diagnose why the domain is blocked, detect whether it's DNS propagation, a registrar lock, malware/phishing flags, or a legal takedown. Next, inspect hosting responses and configuration, review server logs, htaccess rules, firewall, and WAF entries, because configuration errors mimic blocks. Collect all relevant notices, abuse reports, bounce messages, registrar emails, and any ICANN or provider communications. You finish by addressing the specific cause, remove malware and restore clean backups, update DNS records and TTLs, unlock the registrar account, or prepare and submit a counter notice when appropriate. Once you've implemented fixes, contact the registrar or provider with evidence and steps taken and request a re-review. Then verify recovery. Watch DNS propagation, SSL status, email delivery, and check block lists over 24 to 72 hours. If issues remain, one troubleshooting tip: escalate with time-stamped logs and a concise remediation summary to the provider.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.